Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the speed test between the Infinix Hot S3 and the Honor 9 Lite. Here are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 16 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. Purely in terms of benchmark scores, Honor 9 Lite is the winner. But let's see how they actually perform. So guys, Infinix Hot S3 was 2 seconds faster than Honor 9 Lite, which was really unexpected for me. So let's see where the difference is in the regular speed test. In this regular speed test, I'll open the same set of apps on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually opens it. Honor 9 Lite opens some apps faster, especially the game. For the rest of the apps, Infinix was able to open it faster. Purely in terms of raw numbers, Honor 9 Lite is better, but because of the difference in software optimization, Infinix Hot S3 is the winner in the speed test. Now let's see how they perform in the memory management round. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. By the way, I have the 3GB RAM variant of both the phones and 3GB of RAM should be sufficient to keep all these apps in memory if the phone has good memory management. So let's see how they perform. Memory management is better on Honor 9 Lite than Infinix, but because of the poor software optimization, Honor 9 Lite doesn't feel as responsive as Infinix while retrieving apps from memory. So to sum it up, as of now, Infinix Hot S3 is the winner in the speed test and Honor 9 Lite is the winner in the memory management round. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you like this video, hit that like button and share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.